Good afternoon, everybody. By the time you're watching this, it'll be the new year, so Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Now, this video, I promise you, I put my heart and soul into trying to make because truthfully, this is something that has been in the planning for over 5 months. And what do I mean by 5 months? Well, around that time, I bought this thing, my 2009 Acura TSX, which I'll put videos up of it right now. And when I made the decision to buy that car, instead of selling it to the depths of the internet Facebook Marketplace, my father stepped in with an amazing idea. How about I buy the car off you so that your younger brother can have a car? And that's exactly what we ended up doing. We decided to give him a surprise for Christmas. Want to see what that's like? Roll the tape. So, let me just say, for the last 5 months, I've been lying to you.
What the hell?
So, let me just say, when I got my car, I said I sold my Hyundai to a good home. Will the buyer of my Hyundai please raise your hand?
Woo!
So, pretty cool, right? Except, there is one elephant in the room that I need to address, and this will be the last thing I explain before we get into this video. You may notice that he got a key and not a car. Well, very good reason for that. Because of my schedule being all over the place, I just simply didn't have time to go and drive all the way home for Christmas and then eventually drive back to Ohio where I happen to live. So, now that it is December 30th, technically December 29th, I did have time to drive back. And so, with that, I thought, why not make this my first full-length video on this channel? And by the way, we just hit 500 subscribers as of yesterday, December 29th. So thank you so much. End of year goal accomplished. Cannot wait for next year. So with all that being said, let's flash back 24 hours to December 29th and give my younger brother his first car. Almost forgot the GoPro. Gonna need that for today.
Acura, you behave yourself until I get back.
So, good morning, officially, everybody. That was a frantic hour of getting the car ready, getting packing done. But we're just about to set off from the long drive from Ohio to Virginia. Should be about 6.5 hours without stops, but I'm anticipating we're gonna stop for filming, because, hello, YouTube, the reason I'm making this video. So, let's get the Hyundai some gas. Let me get me some fuel, too, because I need caffeination to stay in... Nope. Alright, we just filled up the Hyundai with gas. I got the Breakfast of Champions, Red Bull, and a Cliff Bar, and a bottle of water. Let's hope that lasts me a few hours. 8:15 right now. Let's get this trip going. Okay, hello again, everybody. Just about 2 hours, just a little over 2 hours into the drive. Didn't really get much of Ohio because A, it's not that scenic, and B, I've had a bit of an equipment fail. I'll show you.
So this is the GoPro and the mount that I ordered a couple of days ago, and my hope was to go through part of Ohio and attach it to the dashboard because, you know, why would you not? I wanted to get some cool shots. However, I very quickly discovered that this mount doesn't go on anything except glass. So the instant I tried to film a clip, it fell right off and into my lap. So, gonna have to do a bit of a rethink. I'm not giving up hope though. That GoPro is getting attached to either here, here, or wherever else in my window because I want to get some cool shots for you guys. This isn't just about the camera. So, we got other stops to make. Gotta open my Pokemon TCG pack real quick. Give me something good. Give me something good. Nope. 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 And nope, number 5. Alright, Pokemon fail out of the way. I've still got over 4 hours left, so I cannot let anything distract me. Onwards! Ah! It was gonna happen. Come on. I mean, gotta get the nuggets. That being said, slowest McDonald's in human history. Gotta do the fry test. Okay, these pass. 9 out of 10 on the fries.
hot.
So once I burned my taste buds off at the McDonald's, I decided it was time to mount my GoPro to a window, but like all things on this trip, that didn't go as planned. So, because I couldn't mount it on the window, I had one more option remaining, and one more trick up my sleeve.
Okay, we're gonna try this out right now. It's me holding the GoPro. Let's see how this works. I've been here for like half an hour trying to mount the GoPro to any of my windows, and it has failed miserably. So, I'm left with one option. To look ridiculous.
And yes, as you guys can probably see, I'm attaching a GoPro to my forehead. I don't know why the audio isn't here. My camera decided to delete the audio in some of my clips. So, taking a page out of Seen Through Glasses book, I decided to do some good old-fashioned pavlogging. Let's see how it goes.
All right, I don't know how well you guys can hear me. I hope the camera's rolling, but as you can see, I've attached my head mount. I decided that operating a camera or even a GoPro with my bare hands behind the wheel of a moving car was far too dangerous for me. I get other YouTubers can do it. I can't hold myself to it. I tried it for 5 seconds with another video and it just did not work out. So, ordered this little thing off of Amazon, and now I'm paging my inner Seen Through Glass. Shout out to Sam, my favorite YouTuber. I'm doing a pavlog, POV for those who don't know. So, I'm driving, I'm staying safe, and the camera isn't in my hand, and I'm not about to crash. Win, win, win.
So, with my GoPro head mount fully operational and with just over 3 hours remaining in the drive, I turned onto the completely empty Pennsylvania Turnpike, hoping for some back roads and scenery in my near future.
Alright, so as you can see, it took me the way I thought it was going to take me, which is off the highway and onto the back roads. And I'm already going to say it, it is far more scenic than any other route I could have taken. Just super relieving. We actually just passed Nemacolin Resort. I'll put a picture of it right here. It's massive. I couldn't get the camera out in time to capture it, but I had no idea it was back here until right now. And I've gone on this road a few times already, so that was a cool little discovery, and random Ford dealer right there. I don't know if you could see it. The phone says we got about 3 hours left, 185 miles to go. We've made up some time, which is a relief because, like I said earlier, that stop at the McDonald's cost me a lot of time that I didn't have. So, we shall continue on because it is actually going to get more scenic on this road. I vividly remember. So, when I get to that point, I will pull off, get you guys some more shots, and I'll see you there.
So here we are, the final stop on this journey in Maryland. And for me, it was an emotional one because this would be the last 100 miles I'd ever drive in this car. Looking back, this car took me everywhere. Just like what it'll be for Finn, it was my first car. 40,000 miles of road trips, college, game days, all of the above. It had been a long day of driving and filming, but we were almost there. I was not going to let anything, and I mean anything, stop my progress. But believe me when I say, Maryland, you certainly tried.
Oh dear Lord. Okay, that's fun.
So, for the record, even after this traffic jam, the idiot behind the wheel of the car decided to make a bad detour as you're now seeing. Fortunately, that didn't cost me any more time as I was able to get right back on the highway, cruise for the last 100 or so miles back to Northern Virginia, where finally, despite some audio issues of the last couple of clips, I was able to deliver the car to my younger brother. Roll the tape.
So that concludes the journey. We finally made it back to Virginia. It's around 5:30 p.m. I am so freaking exhausted, but I'm so glad the effort has been put in to make this video happen, to get the car home to my brother who's holding the camera right now.
Hello.
I'm so excited for him. I cannot wait to see what he does with it. I hope it lasts him such a long time, and he creates as many good memories with this car as I did when I was owning it. So, 40,000 miles in possession for myself. It was my college car. It was the game day car. Basically a moving memory box. So, I hope it's the same thing for Finn. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for tuning in on my Instagram, Cars with Con. I want to thank you all for tuning in on my TikTok as well. Have an amazing new year. Happy 2025, everybody. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.